Alright guys, so for today's video I have here a Lotus 1800 watts table saw, and I wanted to put the safety stop on this one. You also call it safety switch, paddle stop, or paddle switch. So I wanted to put this because it's so hard to use this machine, especially that the buttons are located on the table. So pressing the start button, yeah, it's gonna be, I guess, an easier one, but stopping or pressing the stop button is so hard to locate sometimes, and you have to lean down and imagine the machine is already operating. So it's very difficult, at the same time not so safe. So I wanted to put like a stop switch so that it's easy to just use your knee or something to toggle the stop switch. So that's what we're gonna do for today's video. So all you need are these. So I manually created, or you could do like a little angular metal here. Two metals that are angled and both have screws. Alright, so this will go right here. Okay, so we go right here, the other one goes to the other side. Okay, like that. So let me put this on. You have to remove these two screws. Okay, and insert this one, or sandwich it in between like that. Alright, so I'm going to show that to you. Let me just pause the video. Alright guys, I have the two angular, or the bended metals already on there, sandwiched on this metal screws that comes with the unit. So here's what I did. So I sketched or cut out some plywoods I have laying around, scrap plywoods, and you just have to measure this part right here. This side to this side fits in between the two angular, okay, like that. And then all you have to do is you need two screws. Okay, one screw goes here and one goes to the other side like that. Okay, so again, you have to make sure you put a hole in the middle that goes to the power, the start button. Okay, so this is how it works. Basically the screw right here will swing. All right, it's like acts as a swinger. So when you press the button, the start button there, in the hole, and then you tap this, it will stop, because as you can see here on the side, I'm not sure if you're seeing that, that should, okay, see that stop button is pressed every time you do this paddle. Okay, so let me just put this on here. Alright guys, so again, this one screw goes here and the other goes to the other side. Alright, so that's like the swinger. So as you can see, I can do the paddle. Alright, and there's a hole here. I can press the start button, and here it is in action. Okay, so again, that presses the stop button. Okay, see, perfectly. Safety stop, or safety paddle, or paddle switch, that's what they call this one. So anyway, I can't find anything online that I can buy, so I just made my own. Alright, so if you want to see in action, let me do that here. Let me just plug it in. Alright guys, Here it is. Okay, press this. Alright, then let's do that again. Alright, so again, so here's what I wanted this for, really, is to, so when you press the power button, you slouch down to really press the power button. So it's the same with or without this one anyway, right? So you have to like slouch down, press it. I don't have to slouch down again to press the stop button, and sometimes you can't really locate the stop button because it's very near the start button. So all I have to do is just use my, like that. Okay, again. Alright guys, so this probably my next project is to paint this with red, and you can put like stop, the word stop in here in white. So that's my next project, but for now I think this will do. Alright, if you like this video and you want to see more of these, please like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon for more. So thank you for watching.